Ryan Zaya? Goats?
Yep.
You want me to Zen or Anna?
Yo, we always pull the same
Full goats?
same
Full goats
stuff in
or-
the little room.
Do we go full goats, right?
We do.
Oh, we go Hanzo Goats.
Yeah, I
We
think full
can.
goats are the
I
step.
think
we
Gans
want
is
to high.
better.
Okay, yeah, we can go high.
We need a main heal though.
Yeah, I think we need. Yeah, we
Okay.
need Anna.
Yo, we always stay in the room. They get on point. We get on point too with speed, and we overwhelm them.
Oh, we're going in the room again. Okay, let's
Yeah,
go.
we're getting
Yeah.
room, of course. It didn't work though. They're always so good.
But it's actually good because they don't know where we are. We overwhelm them with surprise on point. It's actually good. Okay, everyone inside here. Just as always.
Yeah, okay, we're playing the room.
If they run
Yeah.
Doomfist, we're fucked though.
Not really. He really cannot.
No,
Oh, we're playing down here. Okay, I see.
Yeah,
We're
down here.
we're brick, so I think it should be okay.
Yeah.
Of
We
course,
stay
it's
down
the
here.
room.
Miguel, you're recording again?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Like we stay here.
Good.
If they get on point, I charge in. The Zarya follows me. Break goes
Yeah,
in
that's
with
what we-
speed, and we all go in with speed. Don't peek. Don't peek. Don't shoot
Yeah,
at.
I just wanted to put Sonic on maybe.
Don't do it. They're gonna see it.
Okay.
Just wait up. We have time.
Okay, they're coming.
3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Nice. I'm stunned.
Get
I'm dead.
Ryan.
Ryan,
Run
Ryan.
at it.
Deeper.
Oh my god, dude.
Bring it behind you. Bring it behind you.
Fuck, I'm dead.
Point.
No me kneeler, no me kneeler.
No one point. No one point.
Point, guys, point. Don't let him get
Go
two
left
ticks.
side. People, left.
They got
Ah, they get 2 ticks.
Healing.
three.
Hey, what?
Yo, what?
Go back.
I got something.
He's in now.
Run. Yeah. I'm lucky.
We have a lot of breath charge, so it should be alright.
Yeah, we have almost shatter.
Okay.
Any juice.
I'm just gonna shatter the enemy Ryan normally.
Yeah, we have shatter.
Yeah, just shatter through the card or some shit.
Probably.
Holding. Any juice.
Back up. We can all fight here. Okay, we can
step
push
up.
up
We
now.
have to step up. Yeah, here.
You.
W.
WM on, boys. No molds.
I have Dragon ready.
Ryan. Nice.
Sorry.
Let me kill her.
Baby.
Maybe you're right.
Stagger.
Where's the go?
Good job, boys.
We have grab Dragon next fight.
I almost have shatter again. I'm 50.
Oh, nice.
Don't go too far.
Don't greedy for.
I
Don't
don't
greedy.
think
Don't.
they would have. Oh, yeah, maybe they would have already.
Wait up. Yo, I want you to grab 3, 2, 1.
Double.
No.
I'm the armor.
Got pin.
Oh.
Yo.
Grabbing.
Fall back.
Big.
Yeah, big.
Coming.
I mean, that's huge.
Oh, that trends.
Back up. Full back up.
I slept him, dude. What the fuck?
That was my fault.
W.
Like,
Fall back. Speed up.
back up. Everyone back.
It is
Everyone back.
They shatter Diva.
Fall back, Ryan.
Shatter, Diva, Frank.
I'm healing you.
Break one, nice.
Dead. I need help.
I cannot. We need to wait up for me. Just Anna, die.
Go.
He's gonna stagger him, dude.
I have Dragon
Come
ready
back.
now.
Wait up for me.
Diva. She's
I'm
one
ready.
HP.
I'm gonna get in.
Yeah, I'm picking him up.
Yo, pick me up, Lucio. Pick me up.
Where are
I'm
you?
gonna
Where
get
are
in
you?
three.
Where are you? Yeah, I pick up Anna.
Spawn.
I'm getting in.
Go.
Oh, she ate it.
Zoya from the top. I'm
Look it
healing you
down.
guys. We healing.
Rain behind. Watch out for shatter.
Ryan dead.
Dead.
Can you nano Reinhardt?
Kill Diva.
got
Go.
Reloading.
I'm dead.
Break low.
You can heal me up.
Stay
Bring
calm.
res.
Stand down.
Brigger's coming for me. I'm dead.
Come back. It's lost.
My god. We need a Junkrat.
I'll just go to
Oh,
the
Just go for the goats, man. This is not.
I'm gonna die
We're
again.
running
let's
10
go
goats,
full- I'm going full
which
goats.
counters
we
our
need-
goats.
Maybe we need Pharah. Pharah is better than Junk.
They run
Yeah.
Zenyatta goats, by the way, so they have the superior damage flying.
Yep.
Yeah, they have more damage than we do.
I'm just getting obliterated. I cannot get any damage in. They're gonna shatter. They're gonna shatter this. Diva, Zarya, I want you to keep your cursor on me to but no now. We need to back up. We need to back up.
Back
We
up,
need
back
to
up, back up, shield up!
Oh my god, dude. Oh, poggers.
Nice. Lucio on a
I have no
backline.
shield, I have no
I'm
shield.
healing, I'm healing.
I blocked
No!
that.
Loading,
You
loading.
get it. I fucking
I'm
blocked that.
Fine, 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 fine. Rain is low here.
No, we need to back up, we need to back up.
Alright,
I
I'm
can
gonna
touch,
end
I can-
everybody in when we have end.
Yeah, I can touch it.
Go, touch it, touch it, touch it.
You have to go, you have to go, you have to
Go,
go.
go, go,
but
go,
I'm
go,
dying.
go,
I
go.
can just stall a little longer.
You have armor on point, you have armor on point.
Nice,
Pick
nice.
up.
Okay, they chill.
Ah, fuck, I can't move.
Big anti.
Big!
Break, 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 break.
Break one. Actually one.
Almost dead, almost dead.
Fuck me, dude.
Point.
Zarya's half.
Huge shatter, huge.
Zen low, Zen low.
Don't get C9, someone stay behind.
Stop. Oh no,
Ah, rip. Not bad. We can play here actually.
No, don't play too.
Don't,
Doesn't have shatter? Never
I
mind.
shatter. I cannot pull it.
I thought you
We gotta
were
fight
shot.
one here now.
Shatter.
Don't shut it.
I'm gonna rally when they come.
Do it. I'm ready. Don't go in.
Don't try to always break shield.
Lucio behind.
No.
Bring it side.
I was shielding.
Lucio behind, anti.
Fall back.
Heal me up.
I'm healing, we're healing.
Dude.
Oh, I didn't get the shot right. Oh, I'm
I
dead.
couldn't do anything there. I shatter now.
No, we can touch. Maybe we just want to go send goats as well.
Yeah.
Feel like we don't have enough healing. I can never like get in and survive. Like we need heavy healing for this.
We don't need heavy healing. There is no more healing. Like you need speed, so you need one main healer and speed.
Yeah, and a break,
So
of course.
it's just all the healing there is.
I mean, we could
Yeah.
go Moira goats, but I don't know.
Or we got something cheesy like May goats. Like we stop the diva from May.
On this
You want
map,
snow goats?
I don't know on this map, honestly.
No.
Okay, but for Legion Control maybe if we play today.
So, alright.
Yeah, do we go
Well-
like Moira goats now? No, I think so.
Okay, there we go.
Alright, where are we going?
Go right side, this main.
Right side.
Okay.
Dev Hammond.
Yeah, Hammond.
Interesting.
Okay, plan is follow me.
Right.
Yeah, okay.
Follow me.
We go through the room?
We go here from behind them. We flank on top.
Yeah, we go through
Get
the...
straight up. Follow
Yeah,
me.
let's go behind point. Nice.
You have
Okay.
Shumbra, careful.
I'm watching it.
Maybe we can get Diana. Maybe we can get Diana.
Okay, W.
You're not late.
No, I follow. Oh my
I
god.
got triple tank dive goats.
Drop
What
in?
the fuck? Hammond?
Oh my god,
Oh,
Drop Sombra.
I'm on point.
But-
I gotta get healed up.
We lost.
No, dude, we're fine.
We're not fine. We are.
The shadow.
Yeah.
I can't tell you. Keep shield up.
And
Zen one, Zen dead. Oh.
I'm dead.
Oh,
I'm dead.
no,
Mana
we
top.
should,
Mana top. Fine.
Ahmed,
Fine. Fuck.
we shouldn't have used Shatter, I think.
we needed to get Diana on top.
but he was
I'm
pocketed
packed,
when
so
we finished shattered. Monkey one. Monkey dead.
Dead, I'm dead.
I tried blocking damage, sorry. Was it too late?
They're gonna AVMP.
Wait for me.
Wait for me, Lucio. Can you pick me up?
Oh yeah, sure. Let's go.
Thank you.
We need to do the same thing.
Just wait up.
Wait for us.
Don't get
Yep.
split.
Come on in.
And we just speed up
Yo,
on the high
this time we're
ground,
gonna
maybe.
bait it. We're gonna bait it. We're gonna try and get in, then we're gonna get out.
Okay.
Hammer this in, hammer this in.
I'm on back.
Try get him.
What's he doing? Yeah, kill him.
Yeah, good point, good
No,
point, good
go,
point.
go,
Simon,
point,
just
go.
focus Simon down, I think. Okay.
He's gonna be behind us, they're gonna have VMP. Where is Sombra?
Okay, stand up. Somebody here.
Hack, I'm
Back up, everyone back
hack. That. You're alone, Ryan. There.
Yes, I know. Reset. Die, just die. Jump off if you have to.
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Unlucky, I could stun Sombra, but I used the monkey.
Yeah, we got 4 ults. We're good here.
Yeah.
We're
Yeah,
good.
we're
We
good
got
for
this.
ultimates.
I honestly think I'm Messiah's in garbage right
need-
now.
Something to get the on high ground, or we will always lose. 4-7.
Yeah.
Nice.
That somebody.
Nice,
somebody-
you
somebody-
shoot.
W in left side, left side.
There's still 5 though, I'm not
They're
there.
gonna trans.
Monkey?
Monkey. Red monkey. I'm healing you. We're healing you.
They use trans.
If you want, you
I'm
can
getting-
still
I'm healing. I'm healing.
I'm healing.
We're healing one point. We're healing.
Oh,
We're healing here.
Double on Ryan.
I got
Go W in,
Oh,
W.
big.
Free!
I got Sombra.
Oh. I'm next.
Nice.
Nice.
Media.
Nice.
Okay, finally.
Nice.
Good job.
What I got
Oh,
in Ryan? Messiah.
There's Zarya. Push up. We can get staggers in.
Yeah,
I
break.
got I'm now goats now.
Push up, Lucia.
Okay,
Yeah, I'm
working.
doing it, but we need to push card. We have nobody on cards right now.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, go push card.
Okay, back up. I got harder than you did. Didn't get anything from that exchange. You got a bit of ulti.
Yeah, we have grabbed now though.
Yep.
Do they have beat or did they have physio? They just changed.
No, they
They
just.
use-
They just swapped.
They didn't use trans. They did not use trans. But they don't have
They
that
don't
anymore.
have trends, they don't have
No, they
Syndicate.
use trans. They use.
They don't
They
have
use it,
Syndicate.
but they have a Lucio now, so they don't have any.
Who's payload? Don't engage.
Rain stun is low.
Nice shit.
Big pog.
I don't know if Shatter maybe wasn't too much.
I'm sleeping. Teabagging you.
Maybe. We can bash Diva, but
Walk up, my boy.
They're gonna have the shatter combo, so what?
Yeah, we can bash Diva Bomb, we can dash Diva Bomb, that's good.
We can do it. I'm ready. They're going top.
no.
Get one person on point. That's all.
Oh, in the back.
Rain behind is coming.
I know.
I'm telling
You
you,
can
I'm
Diva
not-
bomb. You can Diva
Oh, I don't
bomb.
have it. I don't have it.
I'm helping. Right.
Lucio one.
Rain dead.
I got
Nice,
one.
nice. Payload.
Nice. Swing on him, Ryan.
Targets. Lucio.
We can't.
I'm on break.
Break one, dead.
Break.
Pocket.
Lucio.
Zaya.
Nice.
Mini. Good job.
Nice, that's nice.
Not the
Staggers. What's the staggers? There's gonna be people
Okay,
staggers.
go aggro.
Just Diva play card or someone.
Okay, I'm gonna play card,
There's nobody.
Okay, go back.
Back out.
Yeah. Wait for me.
I knew what the round was gonna do.
Big flip.
Big brain, by the way. I'm grab again.
Wait for you grab for my bomb, maybe.
Okay.
They're looking to
one,
grab.
one,
They're
one,
looking to
one.
grab. There is.
Ah, sorry,
Son, got it. No, I
No,
got.
die,
I got
just die,
pinned. I
just
got stunned.
That was my bad. I removed that shield.
That's okay.
I got pinned and stunned, so I could just.
That's a yikes.
Did they shatter? Yeah, as well.
They did not.
No, they didn't.
No.
They didn't shatter.
They may have rallied.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, they will have rally and I think they will have shatter as well.
Careful for rain.
He has shatter right now.
Over.
Yes.
Rain stun is low.
Nice, go
You're pink. And there's
Main one.
I continue.
Yeah, okay.
Go, W out,
I'm
W
running
out.
out.
Back up.
I'm blocking, just back up, just back up.
Something.
Go back to spawn if we have to. We
Okay.
have grab
Yeah,
bomb now.
Sarah, we did not use anything that engaged.
Yeah, we didn't use anything, just
Possible.
defend us.
Oh, what?
Oh my god, this
Oh
is
my
legend.
god, 22 seconds now.
Yikes.
Yeah, gross.
Are we ready for
Ready
grab?
to grab?
I'm
Try to flash.
You got bread?
It was too far actually, but I got one.
Fine.
Doubling Ryan.
Run.
No, I can't help you.
Focus Diva, focus Diva.
Help me out.
I'm shielding it for you guys.
Lucio card. Lucio behind us.
No, we are empty. Go back, Brain.
They grabbed me. Sorry, I won.
I'm with you.
Lucio.
Lucio's falling the fucking top every time.
Yeah, go back.
Yo, get on it.
Corona!
Nice,
Nice.
Pog. Back up now.
I'm gonna rally on payload. Go back. I'm gonna rally on
3 on payload. 3 on fucking payload, dude.
Okay.
Rally. Come for rally. Come here.
Yeah, got it.
I need armor especially.
Alright, let's go W on Ryan in 3, 2, 1, go, Ryan.
I got Lucio. Fine, we're fine.
Keep me up. Please keep me up.
I can't.
I'm giving you so much, dude.
Right in the back line.
Brigitte,
Come
the
back.
backline. She's
We need to
pushing
fight this.
No
We need
wait,
to
we
fight
gotta
this.
fight. They ate it.
Yeah, they ate it.
I have shatter. If I can get her, I'll use it.
No, okay, that's it.
10 more seconds, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. GG.
Yeah, that's it.
Point.
No, I can't.
I'm dead. We got a touch though. I'm dead.
Unlucky.
That's...
What the fuck?
Alright, they got beer back.